All right, welcome back. So generally, there are three ways to solve a system of equations. Okay, the first way we've already sort of demonstrated, but we'll do another one, and that's graphical. Okay, and it's not very reliable, but it's good for visualization. Of course, it's graphical, right? So let's go ahead and solve a system. Let's take x plus y equals 12, x minus y equals, let's say, negative 2. Okay, so we'll set up our coordinate system. Let's do this by 2's. So let's take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those are all negative. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 negative. All right. Now, again, if x equals 0, y equals 12. So let's call this line 1, line 2. So again, if x equals 0, y equals 12 in line 1. So here, if x equals 0, if y equals 0, x equals 12 in line 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So line 1, that's terrible line. Terrible line. Let's not use that tool. So there's line 1. Okay. Line 2. If x equals 0, y equals 2. If y equals 0, x equals negative 2. So line 2 goes like here. Okay, so now, this looks like maybe it intersects at 4, 8. So let's just check. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 minus 8 is not negative 2. So let's try instead, maybe 3, 5, 7. 5 plus 12, 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. That works. Okay, so you can see graphically, well, we got close, and then we actually had to put it together to actually find the right answer. Okay, so let's try another method, same problem. Let's try substitution. Okay, so we're going to rewrite our problem. but we're going to do a substitution. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make just a substitution. We're going to say x is the same as negative 2 plus y. That's what line 2 tells us. And we're going to substitute that in to our other expression. So we're going to substitute this x in here. Okay, so what does that give us? Well, let's write it here. We're going to write negative 2 plus y equals 12. Negative 2 plus 2y equals 12. 2y then equals 14. Y equals 7. Now, since x equals negative 2 plus y, x equals negative 2 plus 7 is 5. So we get our point 5 comma 7. Okay, and that's what we had before up here, isn't it? That's what we had before up there. Okay, now there's one other way to solve this, and this is actually my preferred way. That's called elimination. Okay, so back to the same problem. X plus y equals 12. X minus y equals negative 2. And now, I know everyone's probably all seen this before, but I do elimination a little differently in that I do it twice. So here, I'm going to add them. If I add them, this gets rid of the y. So I get 2x equals 10. Now, that means x equals 5. Now, it's very easy here. You could go back here, put 5 in for x, and get y equals 7. That's fine. And for simple ones, it works just fine. But I'm in the habit of just doing the elimination twice. So I'm going to subtract them. So when I subtract them, that's going to get rid of the x's, right? So subtraction gets rid of the x's, and I'm going to get 2y equals 14, and y equals 7. So we get 5 comma 7 again. And this will work better as our problems get more complicated. Okay? All right, I'll be back with more videos soon.